You just found the 2019 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The Tahoe delivers the power and capability of a full-size SUV, state-of-the-art technology to keep you safe and connected, a serene cabin loaded with amenities, and impressive fuel efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, third row seat, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Escape to the calm, capable oasis of the Tahoe. Take it for a test drive.